So Devon started by cutting out the slip fix, but because that's a larger fitting than the one he's going to be installing, he had to start by adding a piece of pipe. Now what he's going to end up doing is he's going to cut out exactly the section of pipe that is in the middle of this fitting so that he can fit the fitting in the middle. The expansion repair coupling, aka the slip fix, has been around since I've been in this industry and even longer. The quick repair coupling, also known as the Dawn coupling, is newer to the industry, and I like it better because once it's installed, there are no moving pieces. You're going to see that Devon is removing the burrs here. That is important because we don't want the burrs, the little pieces of plastic, to end up in the valves or the sprinkler heads. So as you can see there, no gap, or very, very little gap. So Devon's going to start by priming up one side of the fitting, and it's going to be the male part of the fitting. You'll see him push out the fitting on one side there, and there you go. And that's just the male side there. And he's going to get that all primed up and then get glue on that end and glue on the other end, and then he's going to slide that guy on there. Be sure to get the solvents all the way around the surfaces of the pipe you're repairing and the fitting you're using to repair the pipe. In this case, Devon is using gray glue, which will take a little bit longer to set, but it's a solid repair. Slide that coupling back a little bit more on the fitting so you can get more meat on there.
Far back as it goes. It doesn't have as much meat as the 3-inch. Easy peasy.
Now that Devon's got that one side on, all that's left to do is primer this side, put your solvent glue on it, and then slide that other coupling over. As I mentioned before, once he's finished with this fitting, there will be no more moving parts. The fitting will be a solid install. The problem that I see with slip fixes is that they're installed incorrectly, not fully extended, which will then leave the line to expand and contract when it's pressurized. That will not happen with this fitting whatsoever. Once it's glued in, it is a solid repair. And there you have it. Installed. This is an easy fitting, and once this is installed, it doesn't move again. So it's solid. That's the quick repair fitting.